Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to celebrate a very special occasion, Valentine's Day. This day is dedicated to expressing love, intimacy, and affection towards our loved ones. As we come together to share stories, food, and laughter, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of love in our lives. On this day, we present love letters to the people who mean the most to us. These letters not only contain words of admiration and gratitude, but also serve as a reminder of the bond we share. The pages we turn, the ink we pen, and the care we put into each word are a testament to the love we feel for our loved ones. Now, let's indulge in some delicious food. Not just because it's Valentine's Day, but because food is always a great way to share happiness and love. Let's start with a delectable appetizer, such as this delightful caprese salad, featuring ripe tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil, all tossed in a tangy balsamic glaze. Next, we have a heartwarming entree, like this. Creamy homemade soup, complete with chunks of tender meat and a drizzle of rich cheese. Finally, let's end the night with a sweet treat, like this decadent chocolate cake, topped with a luscious scoop of vanilla ice cream. As we enjoy these delicious dishes, let's remember that love is in the air, and it's a perfect opportunity to express our feelings to those we hold dear. So, let's raise our glasses and toast to love, friendship, and togetherness. Cheers!